Have you ever stopped to think about the invisible forces that shape our world every day? Let's take a moment to explore the fundamental elements that are all around us: air and wind. Air, the life sustaining mixture of gases that blankets our planet. It is composed primarily of nitrogen and oxygen, with traces of argon, carbon dioxide, and water vapor. This seemingly invisible substance is essential for life as we know it, providing the oxygen we breathe and the carbon dioxide plants need for photosynthesis. But air is not just a massive component of our environment. When it moves, it becomes wind, a dynamic and powerful force. So, in simple words, wind is the movement of air, especially on a large scale. It is caused by difference in air pressure which are created by the uneven heating of the earth's surface by the sun. This movement is influenced by the earth's rotation, giving us the diverse wind patterns we experience. Wind can vary in speed and direction, and it plays a significant role in weather patterns and climate. It also influences various natural and human activities such as pollination, sailing, and the generation of wind energy. Here is a comparison between air and wind to highlight their difference. Starting from air. Definition: air is a mixture of gases that makes up the Earth's atmosphere. Composition: primary nitrogen and oxygen with traces of argon, carbon dioxide, water vapor, and other gases, includes neon, helium, methane, krypton, and hydrogen in very small amount. Function: respiration. It gives oxygen that most land animals and plants need to breathe. Photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide in the air is used by plants to produce oxygen and glucose. Climate and weather. Air plays a crucial role in weather patterns and climate. It distributes heat and moisture around the globe. Properties: air is static or may move slightly in each location without necessarily creating a noticeable effect. Pressure: air exerts pressure on everything within the atmosphere, known as atmospheric pressure. Density: air density decreases with altitude. It is denser at sea level and thinner at higher elevation. Color and visibility: air is generally colorless and invisible to the naked eyes, but can carry particles like dust and pollutants affecting visibility. Now, talking about wind. Here are the key aspects of wind. Definition: wind is the movement of air from one place to another, driven by difference in atmospheric pressure. Causes: pressure difference. Wind is generated by the uneven heating of the Earth's surface by the sun, creating areas of high and low pressure. Air moves from high pressure area to low pressure areas. Coriolis effect. Due to the Earth's rotation, wind patterns are deflected, causing them to curve rather than move in a straight line. Characteristics: speed. Wind speed is measured in units such as kilometers per hour, miles per hour, meters per second. It can range from a gentle breeze to a powerful storm. Direction: wind direction is where the wind is coming from, commonly measured in degree or using cardinal points such as north, south, east, west. Gustiness: wind can vary in speed and strength, with sudden increase known as gust. Types of wind: there are three types of wind: global winds, Large scale wind pattern like trade winds, local winds, smaller scale winds influenced by local geography such as sea breezes, land breezes, and mountain valley breezes. Seasonal winds, winds that change direction with the season, such as monsoon. Effects. Weather. Wind plays a crucial role in weather patterns, influencing temperature, precipitation, and storm development. Erosion and transport. Wind can erode soil and rock the transport dust, pollen, and seeds over long distance. Energy generation. Wind is harnessed for renewable energy through wind turbines. Measurement. Anemometer, an instrument used to measure wind speed. Wind vane, a device that shows wind direction. Key difference between air and wind. Nature, air is a mixture of gases, whereas wind is the motion of this air. Movement, air can be still, but wind is defined by its movement. Measurement, air composition is measured by the concentration of gases, while wind is measured by its speed and direction. Together, air and wind from the breath of our planet, essential, powerful, and omnipresent. They are invisible threads that connect us all, influencing everything from the weather we experience to the energy we harness. So, next time you feel the wind on your face or take a deep breath, remember the incredible forces at play: the air that sustains us and the wind that moves us. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any query, do let me know in my comment box. Thank you.